Welcome to our channel. Today we how to remove saved replies on Instagram, Creator Tools cleanup step by step clearly. Open the Instagram app on your phone and make sure you are logged into the correct account. Tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile page. Tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner to open the main menu. Tap Settings and Privacy to access all account controls. Scroll down to the For Professionals section. Tap Creator Tools and Controls if you see it on your account. If you do not see Creator Tools and Controls, tap Business Tools and Controls instead and continue. Find and tap Saved Replies to open your saved message shortcuts list. Wait for the list to load fully so you can see every saved reply you created. Review the titles carefully to identify which saved reply you want to remove. Tap the saved reply you want to delete to open its edit screen. Check the shortcut and the full message content to confirm it is the correct one. Tap the three-dot icon in the top right corner if it appears on that screen. If there is no three-dot icon, look for a delete option at the bottom of the page. Tap Delete and read the confirmation prompt that Instagram shows. Tap Delete again to confirm and permanently remove the saved reply. Go back to the saved replies list to verify that the item is no longer there. Repeat the same process for each saved reply you want to remove. If you want a faster cleanup, delete the longest or most outdated replies first to reduce clutter quickly. If you accidentally open the wrong reply, tap back without saving or deleting anything. If the saved replies section is missing, switch to a professional account by going to Account Type and Tools. Tap Switch to Professional Account and follow the prompts, then return to Creator Tools and Controls. If you manage multiple accounts, double-check the username at the top before deleting anything. To avoid rebuilding from scratch, consider editing a reply instead of deleting if you still need the shortcut. After cleanup, test your DMs by typing the shortcut to confirm it no longer expands to a saved reply. Close and reopen Instagram if you do not see changes immediately. Update the Instagram app from the App Store or Google Play if menus look different on your device. Keep your remaining saved replies organized by using clear names that match your most common questions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.